Hello everyone, and welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose and opportunity connect. Do you already have an active UK NMC PIN? Are you living in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Zimbabwe, India, the Philippines or another country, and wondering, can I move to Jersey and work as a nurse? The good news is that having a UK NMC PIN can be a major advantage. But there is something very important you need to understand. Your UK NMC registration alone does not automatically give you the right to start working in Jersey. There are additional steps involving a job offer, local registration, employment checks, work permission and, where required, immigration arrangements. So in this video, I will explain the process step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Make sure your UK NMC PIN is active. The first step is simple. Make sure your UK NMC registration is active and valid. Your details are correct on the NMC register. Jersey recognizes the importance of UK NMC registration for nurses and midwives working in the island. So if you already have your UK PIN, you may already have an important professional advantage. But remember, UK NMC PIN does not equal automatic employment in Jersey. You still need to find a suitable job. Step 2. Search for a nursing job in Jersey. The next step is to search for genuine nursing vacancies. Look particularly at Health and Care Jersey, Government of Jersey Careers, official healthcare employer websites. Read every job description carefully. Pay attention to required NMC registration, years of experience, salary, relocation support, accommodation information, right to work requirements. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Before applying, prepare your documents. You may need an updated UK-style CV, passport, active NMC registration details, NMC Statement of Entry, nursing qualifications, employment references, professional certificates, identification documents. The exact documents can vary depending on the employer and the position. Have everything ready. Step 4. Apply and attend the interview. Once you find a suitable vacancy, submit your application. If you are shortlisted, you may be invited for an interview. The employer will assess whether you meet the professional and experience requirements for the role. If successful, you may receive a conditional job offer. This is an important stage because further checks and registration processes may now begin. Do not resign from your current job or make travel arrangements until you understand all the conditions attached to your offer. Step 5. Complete Jersey's local registration process. This is one of the most important steps. Nurses practicing in Jersey may need to complete the required local registration process with the Jersey Care Commission, in addition to maintaining the appropriate UK NMC registration. Your employer's recruitment or human resources team may guide successful candidates through the initial process. Keep your NMC Statement of Entry and other professional documents available. The important message is this. Your UK NMC PIN is an important starting point, but local requirements must also be completed. Step 6. Complete health and employment checks. Before starting work, you may need to complete pre-employment checks. These can include identity checks, reference checks, qualification verification, occupational health assessment, immunization and infection control requirements. Make sure your employment history and references are accurate and easy to verify. If you are applying from overseas, give your previous employers enough notice that they may be contacted for references. Step 7. The employer arranges the work permit process. Now, this is very important for nurses applying from outside Jersey. If you do not already have the unrestricted right to work in Jersey, the employer may need to support the appropriate work permit or employment permission process. You should not assume that every vacancy accepts applicants who require this support. That is why you must read the job advertisement carefully. If the position is unclear, you can contact the employer and ask, I am an internationally educated nurse currently living outside Jersey, and I hold an active UK NMC registration. Can this position consider an applicant requiring the appropriate work and immigration permission? That is clear and professional. Step 8. Apply for the required immigration permission. After the employment and work permission arrangements are in place, you may need to apply for the appropriate visa or immigration permission before traveling. The requirements depend on your nationality, your immigration status, the length of your employment, the type of permission required. Please remember, a UK visa does not automatically give you unrestricted permission to work in Jersey. Jersey has its own arrangements. Always follow the instructions given by the employer and check the official requirements for your personal situation. Step 9. Move to Jersey and complete your final arrival requirements. Once everything has been approved, you can prepare for your move. Depending on your circumstances, you may need to complete local administrative requirements after arrival, including obtaining the necessary Jersey registration documentation. Before traveling, confirm your start date, accommodation arrangements, airport arrival plans, documents you need to carry, your first day instructions. If accommodation is included or temporary accommodation is offered, make sure you understand exactly how long it will be available. My honest advice. If you already have a UK NMC PIN but you are still outside the UK without a job, don't limit yourself to England alone. So, if you have been asking, I have my UK NMC PIN, what is my next step? Jersey could be one destination to add to your job search. Keep your NMC registration active. Prepare your documents. Monitor genuine vacancies. Apply strategically. And always confirm the current registration, employment permit, and immigration requirements before making any decisions. If you would like me to research current Jersey nursing vacancies specifically for mental health nurses and UK RMNs, comment Jersey RMN. Please like this video, subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global, and share it with another nurse who has a UK NMC PIN and is still searching for an opportunity. May God open the right doors, connect you with genuine employers, and guide you safely through your journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.